Alright, here we are, we're in the shared main. One second. Sorry, I had to have him stop jetting so we could see. I'm making a video, I just couldn't see because you're pulling too much water back. Just give me a second, I'll get up the line a little ways, I'll tell you when to go again. Okay. Alright. There's a hole right there on the top that's right inside the manhole. Right there, just barely. This is coming from the far manhole on the east shared main. There's quite a few roots in here. We're definitely going to want to be jetting this thing yearly. The only damage I see other than the rooted joints is that one spot right there. And then there's another cracked joint back ways here. That was the heaviest roots there were there. One little tap root still laying in there. There's your crack joint. Got a lot of roots there too. Otherwise, on the way down, I didn't see any other damage, but you can see there's roots in that joint. There's roots in that joint. The manhole here was actually full of water when we got here and full of sewage, so we washed all that out and cleared it, so it was actually backing up.